how to make money on people per hour as a WordPress security consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can showcase your own skills for the visitors of the platform or the business owners that comes to the platform in order to search for freelancers like you to do some certain skills for them. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to the platform to find a WordPress security consultant, I will just type it in the search place there and then click on search, and here you're going to see all of the people or all of the freelancers that are doing the same skill that you're looking for. So here we have this one who does 1 hour of design, development, consultation, or work on complex tasks for $55 per hour. Unlock a power hour, comprehensive web consultation and strategy, $70 per hour. Audit WordPress, CEO Zone consultation, Google ranking advice, $100 per hour. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can be amongst those freelancers with your profile in this page, where you're going to showcase your skills as well and your hourly rate also. So let's go back to the main page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account and make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click here on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information: first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my email, password. I made a mistake here, my password, and then log in. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first thing you're going to do is drop in your profile picture in here. Then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can go with your skill, which is WordPress security consultant. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and as you can see, the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15, so make sure to use those spots wisely. So here, let's start with WordPress. We have WordPress CMS, design, development, e-commerce, PSD to WordPress, HTML, plugin, development. So let's go with WordPress. Let's go with security. And here we have network security, website security. Let's go again with security. We have network information, security professional. We're going to choose that. Testing, internet security, analysis, framework. So let's choose security professional and security testing as well. This one. And then you proceed to this about you section, and in this section you're going to describe yourself to buyers. So guys, if you're having difficulties creating a description for yourself and your skills, you can do just what I like to do, or what I prefer to do, which is go into the search again and checking my competitors again and seeing their descriptions, seeing what are they talking about in the description, how are they describing their skill, how are they talking about themselves. So here, let's go up, click on the search button, click on search freelancers, and here drop the skill, your skill WordPress security consultant, and then we're going to see all of the freelancers that are offering the skill, and we're going to check their descriptions. So let's check this one's description here to see how is he describing his skill. So he's got 43 sales, and that's very good in the platform. So let's read more, and from the get-go you'll notice that this is a very long description and it's not recommended. You'd better make a short and brief description, something about this long, and that's a brief and a decent description in fact. But let's read the first paragraph to see what made the 43 visitors choose him to do the job. We are an award-winning creative web design firm having more than 10 years of experience and a team of more than 30 designers and developers with a sales presence in Watford, UK, Jacksonville, USA, and the state-of-art development center in India. Our firm has provided innovative, result-driven website and web application design and development services to internationally acclaimed brands like US Polo, ASN, large IT companies like PubMatic, and multinational conglomerates like Icon Group, as well as high-value startups and SME businesses like Vongel, Zapable, and Desktop Gorillas. We are also outsourcing partners of over a dozen large and small marketing design agencies in the US and UK. So this is an agency who is doing a very good job in their field, and they're making a lot of money from that, and they're helping and working with a lot of companies, startups, and also agencies. So those people are professionals, and they are scaling their business to the sky. So those people are worthy of getting inspiration from. But if you want my opinion, don't make a large or a long description like this one. Just make sure to get some inspiration from them. And if you want to edit your description, just go to your profile in here, click on the profile button, and then click on the edit button as well. And here in this page you can edit everything you like. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.